Hey everyone, is your Gmail showing a warning like storage almost full and you can't receive any new emails? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you simple and effective ways to free up space in Gmail step by step. Step 1. Check your Gmail storage usage. First, let's check what's using your storage. Open Gmail and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll see how much storage you've used. Remember, Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos all share the same Google storage. Step 2. Delete emails with large attachments. Large attachments use the most space. In the Gmail search bar, type larger 10M and tap search. This will show emails with attachments larger than 10 MB. Select the emails you don't need and delete them. Step 3. Empty spam and trash folders. Even deleted emails take up space if they are still in spam or trash. Open the spam folder and tap Delete all spam messages now. Then go to Trash and tap Empty trash now. This can free up space instantly. Step 4. Delete all unwanted emails. Old emails also fill up storage over time. In search bar, type before 1st Jan 2021 and search, select unnecessary emails and delete them to clear old data. Step 5. Clean Google Drive and Google Photos. Your Gmail storage is shared with Google Drive and Google Photos. Open Google Drive and delete large and unused files. Then check Google Photos. Remove unwanted photos or videos and empty trash. Important tips. Always empty the trash after deleting emails or files. Regularly clean emails with large attachments. If needed, you can also upgrade your Google storage plan. And that's it. Follow these steps and you will easily free up space in your Gmail account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tech tips.